Hi everyone, bonjour, I'm Christine Bussière from the BGM Real Estate team. Welcome to 2188 Sojourn Street in Orleans. Come on in. This wonderful family home features hardwood ceramic on the main floor, a great living and dining open, and then a family room right off the kitchen with a beautiful fireplace. The backyard is large and there's no rear neighbor. Hey, you know what we do here? We play hockey. Just around the corner, you have the pool, you have the rec center and the school. Give us a call if you want to see the place. We'd love to show it to you.